The African plains shimmer under a blazing sun. The vast expanse of the savanna stretches out endlessly, a sea of golden grasses swaying gently in the warm breeze. This landscape, though seemingly barren, is teeming with life and secrets waiting to be uncovered. A herd of zebras graze peacefully, their black and white stripes a stark contrast against the golden grasslands. These majestic creatures, with their unique patterns, have long been a subject of intrigue and wonder for both scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. For centuries, these bold patterns have captivated observers, sparking endless debate and fascination. Each zebra's stripes are as unique as a human fingerprint. No two are exactly alike. This individuality has led to numerous theories about their purpose and function.
Before we get into the video, start your mornings with a perfect sip. This Cat Mom's ceramic mug is made for the proud feline-loving queen in your life. Stylish, sturdy, and full of cat-titude. Grab yours now and show off your kitty pride. Buy it at the link in the description.
Are they a form of camouflage, designed to blend into the savanna? At first glance, it might seem counterintuitive that such striking patterns could serve as camouflage. However, when viewed from a distance, the stripes can break up the outline of a zebra, making it harder for predators to single out an individual. Or do these striking stripes serve a more complex purpose? Some researchers believe that the stripes may play a role in social interactions, helping zebras recognize each other and strengthen bonds within the herd. The patterns could also be a form of visual communication, conveying information about an individual's health or status. The truth, as with many wonders of the natural world, is far more intricate than it first appears. The more we study these fascinating animals, the more we realize how little we truly understand about their behavior and biology. While camouflage has long been the prevailing theory, recent research suggests a tapestry of reasons behind this evolutionary masterpiece. Scientists have discovered that the stripes may also help regulate body temperature, with the black and white areas absorbing and reflecting different amounts of heat. From warding off biting insects to enhancing social cohesion within the herd, zebra stripes are a testament to the power of natural selection. The contrasting colors may confuse and deter insects, reducing the number of bites and the risk of disease transmission. Join us as we delve into the captivating world of these striped equids, exploring the science, dispelling myths, and uncovering the surprising truth behind this iconic pattern. We'll look at how zebras interact with their environment, their social structures, and the latest discoveries that challenge our understanding of these remarkable animals. The journey promises to be as intriguing and multifaceted as the stripes themselves. As we peel back the layers of mystery surrounding the zebra, we gain a deeper appreciation for the complexity and beauty of the natural world. The notion that zebra stripes serve as camouflage seems intuitive. At first glance, the black and white stripes appear to blend seamlessly with the dappled light of the forest or the tall grasses of the savanna. This visual trickery can make it difficult for predators to single out a single zebra from the herd. After all, the stripes do seem to break up the zebra's outline, especially in dappled light. This phenomenon, known as disruptive coloration, is a common form of camouflage in the animal kingdom. It works by creating a visual illusion that confuses predators, making it harder for them to focus on one target. This disruption of the silhouette, making it harder for predators to single out individuals, is known as disruptive coloration. When zebras move together in a herd, their stripes can create a mesmerizing, almost hypnotic effect, further complicating a predator's ability to pick out a single animal. However, upon closer examination, this theory encounters some obstacles. For instance, the primary predators of zebras, such as lions, have relatively poor eyesight. They rely more on movement and scent to locate their prey, rather than visual cues. This raises questions about the effectiveness of the stripes as a camouflage mechanism. Lions, the zebra's primary predator, have relatively poor eyesight, relying more on movement and scent to locate prey. This means that even if the stripes do break up the zebra's outline, it might not be enough to fool a lion that is using its other senses to hunt. Furthermore, zebras are active during daylight hours, when their stripes are highly visible against the landscape. In the bright light of day, the stark contrast of black and white stripes can actually make zebras more conspicuous rather than hidden. While the camouflage theory might hold true in certain situations, such as when zebras are in dense vegetation or under the cover of darkness, it fails to fully explain the purpose of their striking pattern. In these specific conditions, the stripes might indeed help zebras blend into their surroundings, but these situations are not the norm for their daily activities. This leads us to explore alternative explanations, delving deeper into the intricate relationship between zebras and their environment. Some scientists suggest that the stripes might serve other purposes, such as social signaling, temperature regulation, or even deterring biting insects. The true reason behind the zebra's stripes remains one of nature's enduring mysteries, inviting us to continue our quest for understanding. One of the most intriguing and well-supported theories behind zebra stripes is their role in insect repellent. Zebras, with their striking black and white patterns, have long fascinated scientists and nature enthusiasts alike. These patterns are not just for show, they serve a critical function in the wild. The unique arrangement of stripes on a zebra's body is believed to play a significant role in keeping biting insects at bay. This is not just a random occurrence, but a well-evolved trait that has helped zebras survive in their natural habitats. Studies have shown that biting flies, such as horseflies and tsetse flies, are less attracted to striped surfaces compared to solid colors. These flies are notorious for their painful bites and their ability to transmit diseases. In regions where these insects are prevalent, the zebra's stripes act as a natural deterrent. The contrast between the black and white stripes seems to confuse the flies, making it harder for them to identify and land on the zebra's skin. This is a fascinating example of how nature has equipped animals with unique adaptations to survive and thrive. This phenomenon is thought to be due to the way flies perceive polarized light. Polarized light is light that vibrates in a single plane, and many insects, including flies, use it to navigate and locate their targets. The zebra's stripes disrupt the polarization patterns, creating a visual effect that confuses the flies. This disruption makes it difficult for the flies to pinpoint a landing spot, thereby reducing the number of bites the zebra receives. It's a brilliant natural defense mechanism that highlights the complexity and ingenuity of evolutionary adaptations. The black and white stripes disrupt the polarization patterns, confusing the flies and making it difficult for them to land. This is particularly important in the African savanna, where the presence of biting flies is a constant threat. The ability to avoid these pests not only prevents discomfort, but also reduces the risk of disease transmission. Zebras are often seen flicking their tails and moving constantly to avoid flies, but their stripes provide an additional layer of protection that is passive and highly effective. This is particularly crucial in Africa, where biting flies can transmit debilitating diseases. Diseases such as trypanosomiasis, also known as sleeping sickness, are spread by tsetse flies and can have severe consequences for both animals and humans. By having a natural defense against these insects, zebras are better equipped to survive in their harsh environments. The stripes not only serve as a deterrent, but also as a form of camouflage, blending with the tall grasses and shadows of the savanna, making it harder for predators to single them out. The insect repellent theory is supported by the fact that zebras have a higher density of stripes on their legs and flanks, areas most prone to fly bites. These regions are particularly vulnerable because they are close to the ground where flies are more active. The dense striping in these areas provides an extra layer of protection, ensuring that the most vulnerable parts of the zebra's body are safeguarded. This strategic placement of stripes is a testament to the effectiveness of this evolutionary trait. This suggests a direct link between the stripes and protection against these pesky insects. The more we study zebras, the more we uncover the intricate ways in which their stripes benefit them. From deterring flies to providing camouflage, the stripes are a multifunctional adaptation that has stood the test of time. It's a remarkable example of how nature's designs are often more complex and purposeful than they appear at first glance. The next time you see a zebra, remember that its stripes are not just beautiful, but also a vital tool for survival. Beyond their role in insect repellent, zebra stripes also play a vital role in social interactions within the herd. Each zebra possesses a unique stripe pattern, much like a fingerprint, allowing for individual recognition. These stripes aid in communication and social bonding. Foals can easily recognize their mothers within the bustling herd by their unique stripe patterns. The stripes also help to maintain herd cohesion, especially during times of panic or when fleeing from predators. The visual impact of a moving mass of stripes can be disorienting, creating a confusing spectacle for predators and making it difficult to target individuals. This collective defense mechanism highlights the power of unity and the role of stripes in zebra social dynamics. Over the years, numerous myths and misconceptions have arisen surrounding zebra stripes. One such myth claims that zebras are white animals with black stripes, based on the observation that some zebras have white underbellies. However, embryological evidence suggests the opposite. Zebras are fundamentally black animals with white stripes. Another common myth is that each zebra species has a distinct stripe pattern. While there are variations in stripe width, orientation, and boldness between species, there can be significant individual variation within a single species. These myths highlight the importance of scientific inquiry and the need to approach natural phenomena with a critical eye, separating fact from folklore. Thanks for watching AMZG Animals. If you had fun, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more wild fun every week. See you next time.